What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, guys. Okay, firstly again, thank you for all my new subscribers and all those that have watched my videos, for the lovely comments that you've left and the advice, which I have taken on board, by the way. Alright, let me show you. There he is. Right, so yes, so let me show you. There we go. Eeyore is the new van mug cup. Okay, the yellow cup is no more. Yellow cup is gone, kaput, and that's the end of that. Okay, so thank you for your advice. Ooh, easy Eeyore. All right, I've taken it on board and I have got rid of that. The heating situation, however, that's another story. Let me show you. So under here I have this little dangerous contraption. All right, now I am aware obviously that the gas is a bit bad for you, okay, but obviously money's a bit tight right now and I am in the middle of purchasing, or shall I say saving, for a diesel heater of sorts, or maybe even put 240 volt in the van and then get an electric heater. I'm not sure, but any advice, please hand it over to me, share with me, sorry. All right, and yeah, greatly appreciate all the comments you've left so far. It's been amazing. I have taken it on board. Like I said, I'm only just starting out, so please keep it up. I really appreciate it. Now my plan today, obviously as you can see, I'm not in an idyllic spot today, but that's 95% of van life. I'm just in a car park. Okay, but my plan today is to paint this backsplash area. Okay, now I have got a green, which hopefully these pillows give or take a shade or two, so I can start getting stuff sort of blended in a little bit. But yes, that's the plan today. It's a bit cold today. I think it's like 4 or 5 degrees, and I'm not much of a painting expert. I think it could be a bit cold to paint, but it's a sunny day. I'm bored. I've got nothing else to do really other than make this video, and I need some content, so I might just paint it and risk it for a biscuit. My eyes look really red in this. I've been crying. Okay, but anyway, that is the plan today. I'm going to paint this. Paint it white first, let it dry, and hopefully next day or two I'll then paint it green. I did mention, well, that's a bit close, isn't it? I did mention in my previous video about showing you how I peel an egg. Sounds very exciting, I know. Okay, but I learnt it and I thought I might share it with you, just to add a bit of content. Alright, so stand by for that. Look at that, brand new, never used. So we'll wait for that to bubble and we'll put the little egg in there, and I'll show you this little trick. Well, it's not really a trick, it's just how I peel. So while that's bubbling away, guys, I just want to say there's a new video out now. Alright, please go ahead and watch it. I believe it's my longest video I've done so far. I'm definitely not saying it's the best video on YouTube. You know, by far it's not the best video. It's just my longest video so far. I prefer making the shorter videos, but let me know how it goes. At least watch it once, you know. Let me know, give me some more advice, how I can improve, etc. I mean, I would like to do some drone shots, but I don't have a drone. I mean, the best I can do is probably throw my phone up in the air and hope for the best, right? Or strap it to a tree. But yeah, please keep an eye out for that video. That is out now. Please feel free to watch it, like, comment, etc. Alright, in the meantime, let's get back to this egg. Okay, egg's all done. Let's get this out. Okay, there we go. Alright. Now ideally you wait for this to cool down, but I don't really have much time for that. Otherwise it's going to be another long video. I don't like doing them long videos. So your egg's now out, yeah? Right, so this is what I learned. Alright, so you have to use this, you can use whatever you want to use it. Alright, so you want to get on the fat end, right, you want a big-ish hole, okay? Something like that size, okay? On the other end, you want a smaller hole go, okay? So this one end, here's the other end, okay? So the smaller end here, you put your mouth, okay? And then you simply blow. Not quite as I expected it to go, but ta-da! Just a little fun way, peeling an egg. Exciting bit of content for me and you. Yeah. Nice. Right. This stuff here. Okay. It says shed fence and decking kit, but I don't know what the difference is, so I'm assuming it'll do the same job. Yeah. Let's do this. That should be enough, I would have thought. Unfortunately, I don't have my tools on me right now, so I can't unscrew all these little screws. There we go, guys. What do you think so far? Lovely jubbly, huh? So, thank you very much for watching. I'm going to end it there for now. Wait for this paint to dry, quite literally, and then maybe the next day or two, depending on how quick it dries, I'll start with the green, and you can catch me back. All right. So, in the meantime, please check out my other videos that I've got. There's a really long one down there. I think it's like 10 minutes or something. It's one of my longest videos, or if not the longest video I've done. I greatly appreciate all the comments, etc., and the likes and subscribers. Thank you very much. God bless, and yeah, keep watching and catch me on the next video.